Alright, YouTube, we're back. We got this thing. This is what you need to change the auxiliary battery on an E350 W212. This is the coupe. This is a nice one. But yeah, they took out the clip for this one. Fell out, she said. She's gotta find the other one. That should give us more room. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Okay. So this is the box. So you're gonna need a 10 mil. I believe this comes off, this comes off. So this one goes first. Yeah, they're not on very tight. One, I believe for these. That's one off. And then we'll take this one off. That's the other one. This should lift up. Boom. Vent tube just goes right over here. Awesome. So I got the vent tube on the side right here. Let me show you guys. I got it connected. You gotta have the perfect hands for this, basically. And then this one's pretty straightforward. We'll put the 10mm nut back where it went. So it's good, finger tight. And then this one should go right there. Let's see. Put it to righty tighty. Nice and tight. So that's pretty much it. It's on tight. Put the breather hose on it as well. So it does help taking that wheel out. This is the coupe model. Taking the spare out definitely give me more room. And all we have to do is, I'm gonna turn the car on and then put that black cover back on. So let's do that first. Let's try it. Nice spec. She said she put the keys in here. Okay. Let's try turning it on. So we did it. It's good to go. I'm gonna go tell the customer, and yeah. Easy. Murder, it's a murder. Disrespect if someone spark you.